Today's episode focuses on luxury handbags, meticulously crafted in China. It turns out, your so-called made in Italy luxury handbag may have more to do with Chinese manufacturing than with Tuscany. Thanks to viral TikTok videos posted by factory workers in China, the public is now aware of this reality. Priced at $23,000, the same item can be found in Guangzhou for just $600. We've all seen celebrities, billionaires, and the ultra-wealthy flaunt the iconic Birkin bag as a status symbol. But this isn't just a bag, it's a declaration of social standing. Are you familiar with this design? Certainly. For over 3 decades, we've served as an OEM factory for numerous luxury brands, including Gucci, Prada, Coach, and others, with a price tag nearing $40,000. If you're lucky enough to acquire one, it's marketed as the ultimate luxury item. The narrative says these bags are handcrafted by skilled artisans in sun-drenched corners of France at the Hermès boutique, with a listed cost of $38,000. What's the actual cost at the factory? Let me explain step by step. First, Hermès sources leather exclusively from 3 top-tier suppliers: Italy, Germany, and France. A single piece of Togo leather, identical to the one used, retails for around $450. But what if I told you this so-called apex of fashion may not be as it appears? A viral video just shattered the luxury illusion. The Birkin bag, long revered as the world's ultimate handbag, may not even be made entirely in Paris. Reports suggest a significant portion of production happens in China. Yes, China. The leather is used for just 1 Birkin per piece. The thread? It's the finest, called fil au chinois, sourced from France. This is classic French craftsmanship, but possibly assembled in China at a fraction of the cost. Once finished, these bags are shipped to Europe, labeled Made in France, and sold at sky-high prices. Naturally, the internet erupted. Fashion fans began asking, if it's made in China, why are we paying like it's made of gold? And more urgently, why has Hermes hidden this for so long? The scandal exploded after a whistleblower video surfaced. A Chinese factory insider said he grew disillusioned with Hermes claims and decided to tell the truth. He alleged that the leather, thread, and hardware, long claimed as exclusive, were in fact globally sourced and assembled cheaply in China. He stated the total production cost per bag is roughly $25. The hardware As one manufacturer said, a cow is a cow, no matter where it's from. Chinese manufacturers claim the leather is shipped from Europe, but the bags themselves are assembled in China, far from the luxury hubs of Europe. Edge oil imported from Italy, $50. Interior lining made of French lambskin, $100. Zipper from Riri, $10. Thread, fil au chinois, $25. French artisan labor is costly. Chinese labor? Much cheaper. Total labor cost per bag? Just $10. Overall cost from start to finish? Roughly $1,400. The whistleblower made it clear. While Hermes claims hand-stitching in Paris, most production takes place thousands of miles away. This sparked a social media storm. Consumers felt betrayed. Imagine spending $40,000, thinking it's handmade in France, only to find out it may have been assembled in China. Some are furious, accusing Hermes of deception. Others dismiss the controversy, blaming online drama or Chinese agendas. But the truth? Harder to pin down than ever. This isn't just about a bag. It's about branding. Hermes charges $38,000, not for materials, but for logo. Yet, if the same leather, thread, and hardware are used in a $1,000 Chinese-made bag, what justifies the price? Industry experts have weighed in. Some support Hermes, saying even China-made bags meet high standards. Others argue, the luxury world needs reform. These brands have sold us an image of exclusive French elegance. But the reality may be global factory work. Without the logo, our costs are lower. Labor? Cheaper. Our bag? $1,000. Same quality. Same materials. So why pay $40,000? Turns out, Gucci, Prada, and Louis Vuitton also produce much of their goods in China. Reports say 80% of luxury goods are China-made, but brands Don't highlight this. Made in France or Italy used to mean heritage and craftsmanship. Now, it's marketing. Consumers are angry. They want transparency. Some even want refunds. Hermes insists all bags are handmade in France. Their watches? Switzerland. But shouldn't luxury buyers know the truth? What are they really buying? Craftsmanship or just a logo? This isn't a minor mix-up. It's a major reckoning for the luxury world. People are asking deeper questions. What is luxury in 2025? What's worth the price? And where's the line between branding and deception? Still, Hermes remains silent. No statement. No PR response. Other brands, like Louis Vuitton, are being more transparent, even showing production locations online. Meanwhile, TikToks fueling the debate are being flagged as misleading. As Conrad Quilty Harper, founder of Dark Luxury, told The Independent, there's confusion between shady, counterfeit factories and real, Chinese suppliers. But one thing's certain, these factories know how to win over Western buyers. And the luxury world is watching.